Because you are mothers. At the end, mothers are so special. Edu Mother's Day, Oba say, Atiatisi.
No crap.
Obika, say mamia, say mamia, say mamia, mammy from Manquaba president. Ebia Baya Sofo, Ebia Baya lecturers, Ebia Baya medical doctors. Say Canon Tumaba.
Oh, yes.
Obeton.
No crap.
I was your church mothers. Because I want them friend I call the mothers. Tell us about mothers and children.
Papa, Sawusha. Bemano Eddie. And Kwamwana ma Obanoa. Obande Carini for 9 months.
Right.
Onunkwani Aquadano.
Right.
Or Carino for 9 months.
9 solid
months. Onunkwani Aquadano.
Bemano say him.
I yenyam so na mo. What you say kwadu? Ba me papa me kwaduma me ni Aquadano na eko.
Okay.
Me dware me ni dware. Me didi me dia ni bi na san feed no.
Hey, okay.
I am into my career Aquadano 9 months wo me mu.
Asakwa ebe won na obeto so.
Yenyam fa ne maaye no. Me na bondi on every side.
Hey.
Oh, and me na bondi on every side.
Hey.
Ah, wo se me mu no me didi a na wadi bi. O be ma na se wo di a wo wia na wakogya wo na na akọ.
Baba no, odiriya.
No excess ni na.
Odiriya no, onyi bi no.
Ba me akoda no wodi wo me mu.
Okay.
Na wo mu so hihwehwemu kire se wo gya na nanso wo me yam.
Wo gya ne
ya wo gya na nanso wo me yam. Etimaduane ni bi na wodi. Ena obanso anu wasesa ai papa obanso anu wasesa me bibia manum enya me de na me fefe na me bibia me nip
just say obetumi kura kum
obetumi akra no kwa obetumi akum eti wo hyeme mu a o depend on me to survive o depend on me to survive me didi yi a me boa no wo ni nyine mu eti me na me umbilical cord na ne kwa eti ye bom a 9 months e ye wo mpa this a doctor for twa ai papa ya bom ama umbilical cord
ba just mu twa just say
champo asa
na yi akra
na ye wie nso a ye de na beto me so say ye de ne to me so a aduane na ohia be survive me nufu mu na gu
emra na free ba
emure na me feed na exclusively for 6 months breastfeeding it will otare me bo anadwe me fa no anopa enumre awia otare me so say ya wo je ne cry come de na je no na oba ne se come de no
be ma no
oba ne se come e come akra ni su
wo su no me de wade
wa da kra ne nya no wo su
be ji
wade aha enti eye from the beginning eye special bema wo ye de wonti me nya this experience
okay
what you mu tan ne better
anya won de
wonti me nyam what you mu tan sa experience eye exclusive
I say mema no be say won person won nyam
won wonti me nyame afa mamo mo pa mo ni nyame nkoko mo pa mo ni nyame ai nyame afa mamo eye yen exclusively it was a papa ye special ye dem ema ye nya ordinary papa there be me can say women we are not ordinary because me share Genesis krana be man nko awo garden ho no bonsama amesra no
aba ne ba ho pe
who you say what is this
no ho na ba we
there
we different
because we kura nyame pe the multiplication e we mu no de befa be man wono nko multiplication free ono nko abegina wo sa no wawu na asa adam nko but nyame pe ne seso no onim se oba ne mu eti hu bibi the enemy source anti ema ye dam sonko kra enti on say papa was it male and female he created them but me did say female no jodi wura ye mu nya bi ni mema de
different enti just say bonding no so unique
for 9 months papa me ni akoda yi na da me didi na mama ni biedi o depending on me enti wo de ayine maame no sperm no ayine e maame no
oni pedua no na e dan de na no
e be dan na be ma ne skin abema na bibia obema ne bibia wo mi mu na no be develop ne eye obe develop ne nose obe develop ne bibia nti o bibia was developed inside of me
the woman is as or a mechanism here
sir
when the baby e manua
yeah
what to make dani ade no
it would the ketwe bi na man no but at the end of the day her baby be order na beto
no order beto boom
enti ya bondo from the beginning 9 months no answer no oban so a masa be exclusive breast
e dia man bio
masade me nufu suo na emantim papa me dey ma no kwa me hwe na nim no se papa ye dey ma na ye
just born na psychology na
me ba na otoso me ensa no onum no fo na no otiti ni tirim
that any da
owu ti mu se any da me sa kwa we dey o ma me no fo na what the sa to say
o dey atoso obi me obi ama ho
say na o mi onum no
ana o massage na e ba mo
o massage ne bo o wi anu asade ne nsa o ye
just aye wura me
onu say who na na tintik na me no fo na ayo sa enti papa se mema ne tia se omo ne yenye pe omo ne yenye pe omo wo omo de dia omo sonko but when it comes to motherhood it is so distinct it is so unique
na just because you handle the way I want to see church yes na just say who say I think so say so bad time with it bit me
yeah. It is strange.
So I'm found to be
yeah.
I'm found to be
Debbie
or it to bar.
Yeah.
So bar
yeah.
Maybe bit me for the bar. Not just a bond to be
bond to be
you go say a man be a sabi omoye reckless. No omoye mbabasa
yeah.
Not just say we are then atochima.
Papa and na Debbie how can I adjune no. Adjune nye. Adjune na say adjune na say mpa. Etimi affect ya de mpa is so valuable. Tell the papa de bia adwene ne say ya. But adwene say ye den na wakota mo body akoto bola. Akwa wa carry no for 9 months.
O that's a political man.
No ho kire. Enti na papa Moses ne maame ho no ho sa akoda na ye kama no. Hwekwan wo fa.
O sie no.
O se wo de ne sie for 3 months.
Can you imagine?
O didn't see it yet. Do a train or quantity. Me didn't faha. Pharaoh banny be who
planning be beer.
It was the 2 months. Papa, not to tell. Or to tell. It was who say, or who said, by Pharaoh banner fanwa, no, I call say, or Pejuma. And yes, Sandy Aquadana man is who feeding. Sandy Aquadana man, so no, I
don't panu.
It's about Arjun in a year, but Sergeant in a year. What a year, wo how na wakoto mu no
right
wa ho kire no fa ba bia
right
eti what be so selfish say akola ne life ne matter bi because abre no na be ma na anye awo no e na me ho kire me e na ho na be boa me eti no say the papa da bia ya woka suicide one some who ni say throwing the child away no e much better than say wo be saka adwene nye eti ebeye denti na nyame ka se so bad time po because nyame mpo nwanwa nyame so bad time po because when say impossible but possibility be sample ba possibility be sample ba me awurade die because ebeye nwanwa so bad time
obeja ne ba
sa obeja ne ba ho ena papa sa wo kai a Israel for ne ni amanye che omo ho hia ntokwa yi emire bi omo ak ne kodi one of the na no mo person omo testi
they go
yeah omo person omo testi said no mo hu die ntia enema bisi no omo de aboa ene ne ba
carry
yeah because they know say ontimi nya ne ba ho enti for say covenant no aka no obedi akire no na che so no there is something because they know say the only way is aboa na ne ba no onya ne hoda enti what is it about this covenant to say ne ba na isu no when they realize no then the covenant because they use oba time ne ba because woman is oba time ne ba tie or ne ba na isu obekọ ho enti die ne ba ma obetimi agya ne ba no ho when the child is crying or penalty na because the power in the covenant no anointing
and you go again be na within a certain obechia ma maybe no say ya na nkofo ese ma ya de na so me bi na me fam na me nkwa na aka de medical me bi me hwe akra ma na me ra ho say obewu atumi saso dia and they never got to match. And no systems, no. How are the systems working against some women?
One say, Papa, or baby, or how or talk or how more. Onim dear on you.
Okay.
You need help on the side.
You need safety net.
Say the aqua to me, me watch them. Bema nani. A be a him fan a mequa, betchem so there be any alternative. At that time, no, I didn't best in it seems say, na wa fam banka ye wo system bi e wo ho in place a onim se mo ayde but me come beto oh ene maame wo betimi kra do ba no kwa koma social welfare for
na wa tra ha for
na wa ye adwuma kakra na bia wa ba beje no it is that time no ohun ni say the information or what at that particular time no the best option and so beto akwada na the best option ni say odi akwada na bekwa kom obi ni wadwane the best option and no neso na nya saa na eso unti wo akire kra na o ti say me baby wo baby but at that time no ohun ni say and no need that the
because we about that because our money
omo ye nu
because you have 5 children ta for
yes
and they was what
timana
and because you are a mother of 5 and because you are as a mother what are the struggles of motherhood so we and oh sorry me last one maybe GHS now me who say and then mama so who say relax because over sorry no wa him na dware no wa kokotro na ko school ko si no aba say wa tro Jesus na wi
okay
and no one we me who say na no say na ke na wi me be that dream ho because na me who say oh sorry na what me say and I say na are you okay I say me say as wa who me pa because as a mother me be say ojina mama for name tell us mema na ya na ye yeah say normal I could say normal what are the unique stresses of motherhood
papa sa emotional connection na wo ma akwada ntim ade bia wo feeling and tempt
I am she be all the time
be ho esin akwada no te de be ma na so bi o wa akire e didi ana e wo jana nan e na akwada no woni na woni akwada na tena won to mu se de ositi e tie ye wo sa wo nko na betimi ahwe ne sa obi ene wo the capacity so be sha wo ba na sa because wo de wo ba na de wo tie ase wonim se osu a na we na ne kum wonim se osu we a na e kom de no e di papa e ma emotional burden
e be
toso e tu bon so obi wa wo bosumi miensa ese se okoye adwuma wo officer na adwene nyina e wo na ti na sometimes ya na stress officers no they have to do something
omo bibi o ho a obetimi
because at the end of the day no ontimi nya sound mind
you
emfanya accounting and answer presenting and answer bibi wo bro nim se ne besu and sometimes so wo foforo na wo ba na isu a wo te no wo nufum
yes omo kan
it was wo adwuma mu a wo bo se wo timi se wo nufo na sa se me ba isu that connection ya
wow
wo so no funu ti wo adwuma ma bo se wo no funu start e hyehyɛ pa na se wo ba na isu come dem anti ada wo no funu ne connection no anti aba news ampa wo be friend na akoda na isu
wow
na chance say sa insuo eba bebre na fe wo nti na eya na abo breast cancer because one shall nyina be say
na say
enti wo bon say papa sa emotional burden na da wo so no the care akwara na die wo na wo hwe no wo na ogya ne nan a wo siesie no wo se de wo a wo pe ne water bottle so wo be sia wo hurum that burden alone no e chese enya nsam ko pesa akwara na ye neat wo be se wo siesie no wo be se no ho ye fe ne ne masie papa me wo twins no menya postpartum
hona nka me ba no onim se
menya bi
ya
me te wona me su
ya because ya wo ye third born
yeah
na ne yo Norway na yo no 24th December
wow
and if I Rebecca say ono ocho SSC and me ko fa mama ni on buy ye man here 4 on meto so 3 there are 2 boys and 2 girls na edu fie no me hwa me area me hu say wabre
papa
and because I work in that area
yeah
I could see signs and bekin so wo so bekidi ya me sani so no me de ni
onko la brem de
dia o de say doma machine wo so ma o de say
last born na susa for 7 years across so no kakra
wo so ma o de say ebu
ko wasu ya
enti ma na ma kofa no na me na bona ha na me enti beki is bonded to me pa
yeah
me na mo sa na mama kwa that period me hu say me ni hwa
anka papa nke be Papa, it's true. Papa, me postpartum depression, no. Who said na your twins? Me muda.
Right. Omona first.
Yes, omona first. Obi a me muda. Na makwakwo wontafo. Fa we are.
No way.
We so sumo. My husband was very helpful. But I'm saying that you tuned, you know. And the more I cry me who's
mental health.
Papa on himself for 6 months. Now me not 3 hours that.
Jesus.
For 6 months. Now a day soon ya mother 3 hours that.
Oh, this is too much.
Because breastfeeding where we are no. No must have a fawi. No must have breastfeeding. Where you Jan and I? What's the son of diapers we are no about the system. Express breast milk no. Medema where we are must have the way in Swasama. Baby, I a double.
Wow.
Will be no so move.
No, so back, Kumama.
Auntie Papa, me say after committee on me soon.
Oh, this is too much.
So even though my husband was very helpful, now a boy was so me but now Unkodano esusa nketwa. Auntie Papa, it was a tough auntie. Me cry me cancer me ngubi.
Wow.
Because me the depression postpartum depression.
Papa.
Echechire me ama. Me te ho sa na me tiesu.
Because I'm
tired. No, Papa, it's like my breath. I'm tired, but I don't know what to do. And fortunately, my former employer, Dr. Sekwame Desmond, baby Obi Amechia na nyame nhra ne pi.
Wow.
It will ban me fear and was shesed me city hono. Now o shesed die because now it's almost 3 months I said me start adwuma. O she me said me so asiate. I feel him I was say beka news nko awu yakofie.
Wow.
Na adwuma for anopa no wo beka news wi a go home.
Wow.
And no master order until me beka 6 a.m. news
no,
for almost a year for me to take care of akwala no. Papa nka 3 months ye kasa me come back to work and ka bibi be ye me. Me to postpartum depression mu ankasa because me ngo da. And papa wonim me wo hena sa me wo 3 ebom and I lost 1.
Oh.
Na 2 girls 1 boy. Eti me wo triplet. And I lost 1. Eti debi am kasa whether fortunately or unfortunately because 2 no
me anu kura mpo na me asande
2 na me say Nyankopon no away
me no hu sa bi da bi
he for sa prayer am say nyame no o he say prayer me de nyensa mani one sha wo be
one here be boy ha
because 2 no kura na papa
de na ye no
me bre ya nkasa me bre ya ma fe de me ametimu say ye I ne papa mu university.
Wow.
Bako you mat na bako Legon.
Wow.
Enti but papa the battle no was so
Omoyema
Obaba ko bema ba.
Wow.
Eti obano Legon na bema no you mat ye robotics engineer.
Wow.
Enti papa at that time no help ben e wo ho. When na wo consult no. Wo kan cho kan wo ho.
Yenimu seniors be communicate na fa.
Yenimu seniors communicate with pain no. Eti ai na de nkwa no awo ntafo.
And I was always against I may say I want to say my sister want to
okay.
Now my 11 years.
Wow.
Many last born. And they would jam me. Ma medium wangro. And then back so for back also or US or Yajuma.
Wow.
I remember me. And many baby across na me to mama no. Now my sister Effie di back.
Okay.
And obey you know. Na maji back on also.
Yes.
Na also many diagono ada. No fidi back on. And in my presence there,
a boy,
no, my mother was there, my dad was there, I was there, and you know, and you know when you help, Papa, and no cramp on and yes,
Papa, and me, my husband was very helpful. I can't remember so one night being grand so no one net day on Corana. If you had your mom penano, almost up now. I understand. Fabako, I miss my Fabako. And Papa, we ain't yes, so much better.
Motor Alaba, Mamma,
I didn't see an abaco or Henry.
I saw that. Oh,
I said that's how it was. I had that day. What's his sleep? I said, sir. Okuta na okasa wonu kura wada. Okwa oba no papa na ne nine ball me see. What are you in so
bomb. Oh, brother.
so a me bobo no
Jesus
bobo no na me de no fu ase na num se de be ye ono beda eti na be na mo beda ade chi nso ese se be ma wo kwa adwuma eti oba na bed ni bi aba be carry bed ni bi waso we mu na me so ma so we mu eti papa it wasn't easy. These are the struggles, the battles.
Itemized for us. Ebi an mama bi etie yen obi a ontansan obi na remember baako. Won so e dey bia onya miensa baako efri asa na owo. Okay. But me ko he no many person na ko he no. Un se onya mboa. Ni kunu ho. Yes. Ne mama ho, ne papa ho. Enti no crampo no. Yeah. Enye
easy. Yes, enye easy.
Enti mi ko so baako mu na obes baako. Na baako na Ose na sa no yam yo. Mesi ye enti dem mom na me kaita mana me kura.
Yes.
But me ko rounds na o feed we na me dem ma. Because my principles be yanga ye twa mamefo a wo multiple beds and now be a or be hokra obi ne nyinsem ne kunu enka no no kwa na wo ye jatom so nyame ba nyame na nyam na oba no kwa bebre won sa. What should we do na aboa because akra no de onya he
the be oye innocent
and support systems bang and I say the mama bes
papa ebusua na mmoa.
Okay.
The extended family system who say what to say wo nua bi awon tafo na wo available time ya wo de wo kwa say na niema bi na wakosi ama.
Okay.
Na ate burden so.
Okosi niema ma no.
Okosi niema ma no. Ana oba na obaji akoda na kakra be 2 hours na otimi akoda.
Because e bi am change omo santi. Oja na ojo so.
Eti bi a wo so ni mu so me mfa na be 3 hours. Enti wo koda na me hwe wo mu. Na ebia obetimi a express mo kana kakra wo ho anasa formula bi ka ho a wo de ma na because they are not twins no normally be one tap for no and triplets they are no fuso no
and so
this is what the formula nti bia ma me na wo so your husband na feel your band pain feeling the pain men meye na be ma de wo nye we be ma de wo
okay
bo imposa ya ba kumpo a wo fra adwuma ba menim se wo kwa adwuma wa bre but ba wo so okay ene busa ne de ne net say obeka kire ne we ana we feel we ye say we ejane nan bebre we na me say ne yefunu ye ne ya we say na me de ko hospital say ni say we say fanama me ne koda e bia from enumre ne 7 no to maybe 10 koda e bia 7 to 10 or 11 we na me de na ma na me so makoda
right
na ese mo dane mo ho awon mo boaboa mo ho e na wonso ni mo be ye bibi ube wu nkukuom
ye bi
anase wo de kodi dwabre no papa and now bansu na ni meduane no a enkwan na no ayesi no
ayesi ho
those little help papa are taking your burden away
na bi o ha ko si mi dwa no ejakwasi yes na yetin kan eti das yawo one radiado
I won't have
no mo
yeah but what
oh we dey utio kapa radiado
mi kuro mu hia no mo say utio kapa
radiado kwa ye dey ya boss ba kan na say ni timo den
Wamo ni timo den the jimra ne at that time no na oba na say papa wo so wo do no and love is action oriented
okay
enti da bibia di mane hu sa wo do no enti esa wo so sacrifice bi na me fadwuma sacrifice bi so ni mu na papa de esa say ye tia se ne say e season
all right
eya na me de e man bi hom se fa show hu kran oba no onye keto na me say sa me man na me bro nim say na o mo invest
se ya hu
se ya na me say wo manyini and we make bed and then me double help papa
that's the point
me the benefit
one ba fie sa just say we na we see we na ja papa bia
double help even though it was a double burden
I love that because I love that one it used to be a double burden but now
it's a double blessing
wow.
Because we bua ba ko be may say o ka se o pepa o ho ama wa jai
why you love it
bedroom o siesie ho a be ye ho neat antiseptic aye ho kama
no anyame neat
so ka se wonye wo ba fie onye aduane ma wonko no aye aduane kama mami
wow.
me da ho so wa blend orange ne banana and
man mixtures
I wa this you we dey fruit smoothie it's come na me beda kora na me say I would abre media mama no na ma kai say wo bra wo ma me bre udidi ano afe udidi ano afe udidi ano afe udidi ano afe
mama nyo so faso kakra wa
odidi eti papa omo wo ho no and na won so allow help unso ma ho kwame mo
okay
because obi nso wo ho a fie woni mu
so obi aso me de jare mama
ebi na mama ebi mu so fie ebi dey spiritual
okay
osuro say ni obi na koma no sunsun body bi auntie and also so is something we have to deal with because obi wa de ntia wa ma ebi ani nuanom any other people mu no spiritual in the fie
okay
osuro say ebi na woni honhom papa
odi asram e be ye no
ano ba na oba ne yare eni atinti eni ono but now tim say wo bre na wo bre trust God, say God will take care of you and take care of the children. It is a nipa no kra no. I'm not saying that we shouldn't put in place precautionary measures, but at the same time you can get some help be and papa the body of Christ can also the body of church.
The church.
Because you see the family of God.
Okay.
And he said, "Obi kobedi ma ye mo no nko ankari."
Right.
The church, you were women's group, you were men's group. What can we also do? Yate say, eyi awo miensa, akosu awo miensa bu. Enti die na ebetimi aye dia bonya ne na mode beba be che no nko a because minim se mode ye mo ye masafo mai dia at least me wo security when it comes to spirituality right. A little secure
right
enti ya te ya kono wa no pa na ebi amonko prapra wo so tambe na abenya ho awi a ene mo mfa ho na ko ho de kuko ma no na afa ho the body na but unya have no so ya ba sorry for ba besra na ya bro washing powder any diapers any ye ba ni abeto ye je my bura
I bet to ya se mo so ya bura na so ko
ade wo sie me odo pa ma dia na ososoro hene ye ja akosia na yere
o ma ya
ne ma ni na sha wonsa rade shira mo ma me ene ye be se pa ye ko ti wo mun ka bi ko pem se o be ba so your body. The body. We are now. You belong to a new family. It imposes a extended family system. Nimpo na minya mwa.
As I
say, me busuya fufro no me spiritual family no. Omuso at least. E me ko na me dom no. Omuso timi ye bibi de boa me for mate se ma wo. Miensa. Omate se bi kura nipa we ni kuna firi. Omate se bi kura oba no kwa wo so no wa ama. Nje se akwada na ka be ma no nko a. E de na yen as a body. Ye de afa ho. Papa, I like him. Maybe example be and say, "Mami be ni kunu free mu." Almost we ba one pa.
Right.
We ba we wia. No better than check.
Right.
We ebi so be da na wa anajo. Omo schedule time. We be ba omo cash. They just sit there. They just sit there. But say the power no ho keke no. E ma na recheche because ni kunu ko. But one time visit. Ni abani abato Pentecost nyom Baptist nyom. And I'll see the name of Jesus sound. In a believer's ears, it's so roses and dry. Near my washing powder, near my diapers, as a funny and near showing crying. It's in a man count near court. Who will be in copies of a bass? It's papa, a woman, how they do a we ignorant. Only my woman, she won't name because papa, what was you said the and will be your experience. So what's your award because maybe me nyem kwada me read books but papa entese experience
because I want to say na me protege bi yeah person you put together a certain hub
okay
you ready you be share omo a omo nyem ana o look for yourself be fefuru
okay
one of my PhD students the thesis was on pregnancy experiences.
Okay.
And it was one of the finest researcher reading on pregnancy.
Insane.
I'm telling you. Like I took my time to read the findings. The study was such impressive. To me, you know, or your book about it. Now here they say you create a platform.
Okay.
Ama be a opposite one. What you should know.
Okay.
How you should prepare.
Okay.
Exactly. Mental health. awon when you know you have complications.
Yes.
Send you see your offer. How you must adjust your psychology.
Yes.
Never we no another burden.
And no so
send you obesi as you show.
Obi first na metimi da time me pen am sorry.
Afedia.
I was would be aba wiase.
Because I want to say no. The second study my master study I'm saying I'm not share first time fathers.
Okay.
Experience of childbirth.
Wow.
Another fine study.
Yeah.
We are just about publishing it. Now, men are shocked. So, because Obi destabilizing Linda.
Yampa.
What the house no what I can't see now. No, and some of the men are unable to adjust.
Yeah, papa.
And also first time fathers.
Yes.
You be able to train.
Yes, papa mo ye.
We think that as I see train nannies. They will take their credentials from maybe a Ghana Psychology Council.
Okay.
And as be a Ghana Medical Council. Now, one no woman a license as a nanny.
Yeah.
Who now penny services Obeba. The next 3 months.
Yeah.
One on a thing. Ya channel. They bet me iron. They bet me break you down. They are one and who challenges near dinner. They are like caregivers. Now a boy is so more.
Yes.
For that period.
Papa unim say me wo twin na me nim say akwada didi wi na ma na nufu so a
ese wo bonachi
e ma ne belgi
yes
me nim me ye na de akranto won ansa ne nam ne
na nam him oh ye da na yem bai
e di na yem bai e membre bi kwa me rase de kokonfa no che sese me du ho cause akura ne say free ne huni mu ba na ne ho mete
na ho mete o to me ho me
bia wo
ha
na me dimrika Baby, straight to confirm me do doctor na bobo na chika crash e so tamade ko nye oye but me nim I was ignorant na me nim say me fa no a but enam say na nia ha say me so me nim say say kosh e so man beje ansa na wo dia koda na tiji papa sa nim die no first time mothers bebre na ye nim enti na ye ni wa ma ho na e kirewo e bi ko bi okra na ne maami ni ho anasa ne maami kra ye distant anasa bibi because papa ebu okra na ne maami wo na maami ni ye teenager ono kwa nhyɛ da ni experience bia so be ya mane ba because ani ye wo nkwa omo manyinyi na omo maame nim na teenage omo 14 years 30 years ɛna omo wo wo ɛna ogya ne maane nana eti maame na amu akora wo nhyɛ da ni oni me maame nie eti me maame betimi ahwɛ me dabi eti papa we need that resource e betimi di aboa ama na awerɛhoɔ di bi tɔ so first me unyem first me ametimi di aduana mepɛ afɛ me timi ni aduana mepɛ o sha na o kon do aduane basa bi aduane so di na wa fe ato agu on sa na wo vomit na wa yare morning sickness how do you accommodate this thing because me okay young girl me sister me bomb me life
I fed me ko na
fed me hunu nyina ya perform no ya kakra
and the way it will change you pregnancy will change you wo kala ko
ya was any ade first we obi a wo timi yi wa motom etimi you puberty part edi be 8 months na puberty part nkwa wo hu
because wo
timi nkoto but wo call hospital so no ma catch say we eti one e be yi ama say wo kunu ni wa wo tire be kire wo no papa
eti wo mu amu ni kunu no
wo ni ko one e be yi ama nti say wo ma nurse bi eyi ma ana so obi wo ha no the mirror ato form okay very risky or the mirror ato form na e bi a wagina so na ohye
na oyi
but at that time wokunu wo ho a on the be yi so
on the be yi amount
because I be 7 months kura wunhunu ama de na fu be 7 months ono so onfa wo sa wonyam onfa wo no nse nwinifo na wo fu
aye ntunam
enti papa these are the struggles and these are the odi na pesa wodi wuntimi ni watade ya pesa wo hye wuntimi nhye what's the sum total?
Tata. Utu number pregnancy is something.
Yes. And he said, when ya a dear, a tell me crap, papa, dear, he knew or more. Omun feel shame, because she are sorry, was it? Emilia many feel shame, Kanutum. What are you saying? Kanutum. Would you own your one? What won't fit? Media many more men fit. What do you know? 9 months. I tell you, I become no tomb. Kono tum na nye obi an nyem wo ye ne saa. Obi wa 3 months ye gine to hospital. Enti ya na mo amode no na ye nyem a ye nte hwe ne ya mo nkama no ntum.
Mo nkama no ntum o na ya mo so. Kasa nkofo
dodo. Asa wo bre na asa ye wo fault papa. Na ye wo fault say wo de ye wo nyem ye na ye friend say wo fifie. But ya kwada no wo baby wo kra first born 150 second born na be 50.
Okay.
Yes.
First one no was okay.
Yeah, was okay, but the second one no. Who want to say wo 50. Enti munso aya na mo de ye smooth no. Eya mo nkama no ntum. Na ye go through battles. You go through a battle. Papa.
All of a kosi agwa aje